Now, Director of Football for the U.S. Virgin Islands Football Association, Jamaican Vin Blaine, says he's quite pleased with the revamped format for the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, especially for the smaller Caribbean islands. The new format will see the lower-ranked teams in the region playing more games, and Blaine says it's good for his scenario with the USVI, who will look to kick off action in round 1 of the qualifiers in October.
With regards to the format for us in US Virgin Islands, it's not bad, considering the time and the lack of players availability. I think it's ideal for our situation. I don't know about the bigger countries, but 2 games, 4 games, 2 home, 2 away is okay with us. And I say when we consider the availability of players at this time, so we have no problem with it at the moment.
Meanwhile, Jamaica's Omar Edwards is the head coach of the Turks and Caicos Islands national team, and he also spoke favorably about the new format. Just like the USVI, Edwards and the TCI will kick off World Cup qualification later this year.
The players are very upbeat about this as we speak. Normally in the past, the teams in the Caribbean, that is ranked very low in the Caribbean, most in the past they would have maybe played 1 game or 2 games, and their World Cup qualifying will just end if they don't do well. We are very grateful that we will play 2 games at home and 2 games away, and therefore our future still lies in our own hands as to how the advanced stage will go. And I believe that the format is a reasonable one.
The draw for rounds 1, 2, and 3 of the 2022 CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers is slated for August 14. The Reggae Boys will commence action in round 3 in June of next year.